Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we have this position. We are in check, but we have a way to checkmate the black king in 2 moves. So as always, pause the video and guess the move. Best of luck. Okay, welcome back. So it's a check. You must move the king or you must block with your pieces. Either way, you have to defend that and deliver checkmate on the next move. So it's kind of difficult thing. You have to do 2 things. 1, defend your king, and at the same time threaten a checkmate. So you may probably play bishop to c5. Well, that gives a counter check to black, but now what black can do is capture our rook, and it's just not working, right? You don't have any pieces to checkmate on the next move. There is no checkmate, right? So you may probably play here, but this is not checkmate in 2, this is checkmate in 3, right? So this is mate in 3 and this doesn't solve the problem. So what else can you do? You can defend the check like this, but black would just capture the rook, and now this is even not good. It's actually similar. It's not mate in 2 at the end. So these 2 moves don't work. How about defending it with a queen? So now black would capture your queen, but again the queen would just simply take it, and this is not a checkmate once again. The only way to deliver checkmate is to play queen to c6, and now black has no choice except to capture the queen. Black can move to a7, but we simply move the bishop away, and that would be just checkmate by the rook. So now if the queen captures this, we block, and now there is no piece to capture the rook, and simply that is checkmate. The other thing is if black moves here. So any move like this wouldn't deliver a checkmate because black still can capture the rook, and this is not checkmate. But what we can do is move the bishop to b6, and simply the king cannot capture it because the queen is just defending, and black can't capture the rook because the check has also come from the bishop. So this is the solution. If you found all of this, congratulations. Make sure to subscribe to the channel to see similar chess puzzle videos like this. I will see you in the next video. Bye.